Division 1 league is back again. This is our own. Let's get the ratio more. They say that they want to come one. And EJ come one.
Alright, was your fire, they were dog can we be yet there. And it just can one as I bruta. Nan your man, you know, so to me, I call ye Diamo ha. I Sompa 106.5 FM. No, me day and ne akosia ejewa kwa dia boaten. Wonim say atenase se no a na sa Tipoff dwumadie no ena na ebra so se to me. Ede baba som wona ne man nyina so. Etumi koyi de ma na abusuafo. Se wo join ye live wa Facebook no Sompa 106.5. Afenso bowra mu YouTube no one more. Eno so ye Sompa 106.5 FM. Ya anya sam keto na wonim say abribia no ye tenase se no a ye de afisam no edika gugu de ma wansa na amananesam no ye tumi ade atoa so na ye hyase ade free the blasters of Ghana e wonom ne ye hyase ade free wonim say encha bia ana Ghana ye kwabo World Cup qualifiers a chese ye no Chad ebo ye ewo Accra Sports Stadium me patcho sa game no wonim say the blasters of Ghana ye tumi win 5 ye Chad and tumi ante eno achi no ye kwa Morocco and Madagascar national team no enso tumi kokosi akan e ma ne ye Ghana ye share 3 Madagascar and tumi ante bi na sa 2 games we no ebusua na ye crucial at the blasters of Ghana wonim say before World Cup qualifiers no na Ghana ye bo AFCON qualifiers a chese nkunim dia tumi ankwankwaya de ne di ntwose poto na nyasem keto amakura na coach Otuwado na Ghana fo nim say papa no wada form say team wontimi control players no enti na magidi a was a Ghana fo yetumi nya wada blasters of Ghana mu no na enuoma no aya tete dia sign na me patcho record bia menseka achose coach Otuwado papa no eba no say World Cup qualifiers a won shada nya de ne modern bono enshada enkwankan bia sa esan say wo hwemu anano kura no yekobo 6 matches Yura coach Otuwado Kraya and the blasters of Ghana koye na no Ghana ye 3 points area chire ye board draw 3 and ye concede 7 na anyasem keto antina se wo hwe AFCON mu no a wuti mu say the blasters of Ghana na nyoma enshada enkoyi a na gidie no ewo famo na me pacha brantia ye friend say Antion Semenyo sa brantie wano wo sina kan edema Bournemouth ye ono akoraya wo ye blasters player ye nanu adache se wo hye go Ghana yakwabo ye against Madagascar no na me pacha ma me fanto wanimo say abrantie friend say Antion Semenyo one central for di nkwa no cha say that brasta ne de ogidi o mo ne performance no cha say eyatare ye nya asem keto was wo no he kire wa pira won pray so na kire wa wu ya just wo dada ka mu na no kura no benyane no baba bobo no de ma the blasters of Ghana say wo hwase ne team no ahyase a ye pekede kro no a na se nyoma nyina atumi koye ya wo no so no e wo so otimi ye bia na the blasters of Ghana yetumi nya win e wo ye games ahodo mu.
Yeah, it's an honor. It's an honor. I always want to be part of the national team. I feel like the only thing that will ever stop me is obviously injury, of course, but I always try to make myself available. I always want to play for the nation. It's been a dream of mine from young, so anytime I get called up, it's an honor. I think it's been good changes. I feel like everyone's getting on together. The cohesion of the group is good. Everyone's warming up to each other, so no one can say a bad thing at the moment, and I think only time will tell. So we'll just have to see what the longevity looks like, but it's been good so far. I mean, every fan is going to have their opinion, and they're valid to have that, but I feel like playing for your club and playing for your country, you've got to adapt to the players, you've got to adapt to surfaces, everything's a bit different. So I'll just say, just give the players a chance to at least show themselves over a number of games. It's not just one game and you judge. So just be behind us, just support us. Even when we have a bad game, just support us. That's what we ask for.
Abusia way abrantie friend say Antion Semenyo ya tenen kano na anu achi no wasane central for kasai na watch say wo hwemu pa no ne performance no just nyoma nyina de na kwa so wano nyoma nyina timi kwaye adema the blasters of Ghana na no kra no blasters ya performance no wase nya no ani o ye be kwaye nim kra chen say ya Ghana for ye nhwe saade nanim.
I mean, I definitely want more goals for sure. I think any player that plays in an attacking position wants more goals, but I feel like it's been some decent performances, some not great performances, but I mean, I'm quite humble. I know when I've played well, I know when I've played pretty bad, so I'll just say it's just like a steady slope. It's just been very average, and I feel like I can still give more. So I hope no one's judging me from these 25 games I've played so far. But yeah, there's more to come. Don't react, to be honest. I'm very chill. I try to take my attention away from the game. Just keep myself busy, whether that's playing PlayStation, doing something with my girlfriend, my brother, whatever it is. So I try to keep my attention away from that, because if I'm thinking about it after the game, I'll just be frustrated. So I try not to think about it too much.
No so no abusia yewra ancho samanyosa brantie yi wakwoso ne semtwerofo edi nkomo enonu no ana semtwerofo be bisa ne se we coach otu ado a papa no asemra bi atwam na ne modern bo no enhyeda enkoyie bi asa na obecheze o yana fodrum bi amontomo bo ase na papa no kura no wo hwemu a afcon no mu no ana ne modern bo ne enhyeda nkoyie ne mom world cup qualifiers ne de performance ne ye good aye tight ya se ebre kura no wa hyase a woni players no ahyase engage.
I think we're trying to move on from all those losses and all those draws and those wins. I feel like it's a fresh start now. We want the World Cup, like I said, so we can't be thinking about what's happened a couple of months ago. We need to focus on what we're doing now. So yeah, everyone's approaching it in the right frame of mind. No one's talking about what's happened before. We just have to focus on here and
I was your no ya kakra ye free waba ewa brantie friend say Anton Semenyomu na noachi no and semtronfo kwaso bisa ne nsa woni san semtronfo de se kwaba de say ye nya prayer say ya ye kwaso bisa ne nsam a kozi se obeyi mi nuama pi no a enso atumi de agu ho no mo na no na semtronfo ba be bisa no se wo hwemu a afcon no enuama ntumi ankoye de na so world cup no de the blasters of Ghana modern bono etumi akosuru ye papa na players ya se one man shot here, one musha go. Adama the blasters of Ghana no, which was a kudus waka home, and watch you cry none what Thomas Partey, one also did 2 goals. Adama the blasters of Ghana, into one cast or Shani Modern Bonua, and we bet me a Quanisan was her. One of per man of the match in AGA, what person when your player, at just of the match in Ocho or GB Biabaso, what the player, what the man, just I know what GB Bia, and the can't tell so the amount the blasters of Ghana, Yankropoya, Domna Quenyaneba, we bet me.
It's been hard. I've had to adjust somewhat. I think you pick up a lot of things when you're playing in the leagues. You're playing with older players, different experiences, so they're able to teach me, keep me humble, keep me grounded, and slowly push up the leagues. And every league you go up is quicker, better players, stronger players, so you have to be a bit more quicker, you have to be smart in your decisions. So by the time I've got to the Premier League, I've kind of learned the role from National League all the way through up, and the Premier League's the best league in the world. So you have to be quick, you have to be strong, you have to be smart, you have to be clinical. There's so many things that you need to be. So I feel like the first year I signed, it took me a little bit of time to pick up, and obviously second year onwards it's been good. So I've enjoyed that process. I think when I was at Bristol and I got Player of the Month, yeah, I just had a crazy month. Loads of goals, loads of assists, everything I touched scored. So I would say that was definitely one of my favourite times, for sure.
I was your nanwache no abrantia Ancho Samanyo to a suchiremo and was a free bra waba blaster simono at one send you make quay environment and was a sa na no kura was Ghana for say wabako swap pema konanim because this are the blasters of Ghana yebenyan kunim die.
The environment's been good. It's been good. I think everyone's gelling well. I feel like the last 2 days everyone's coming close together, so it's nice. And I think everyone's just ready for the game. I feel like we've had a tricky time, and we feel like we just want redemption. We want revenge. So these 2 games coming up are very important. We want to go to the World Cup. So yeah, everyone's taking it really seriously. Everyone's gelling well, and it's been good so far.
I was your way ya branch ya friend say Ancho Samanyono no na ye free ni semni mo na ya bawura mo ewo mra shebe dwafiadum say another finance minister ye rakesa to force ne wanya kwanya ekwakasa ye ewo mra shebe dwafie na no na wo kire say betting tax no abai no wa hyase gua na motuo so sade abai a wo betumi kura ye free wakura na Ghana for so ya somadwe ye.
Speaker, if you are to look at the income tax amendment bill, lotteries means a scheme where rights are sold to take part in a draw by lot for prize, including betting, gaming, and any game of chance. Right, Honorable Speaker, it is important that I make this point. Speaker, I make this point to clarify that lottery in the instance of the income tax amendment bill includes betting, gaming and any game of chance.
Abusia where finance minister Ira Kesa to force and attending kano. Now we bow the blasters of Ghana. One more management committee no more Tichania. One no adano ya Dr. Randy Abe. One also saw one central fort in Komo. And I watch the sports minister Ira Kofi Adams. Papa no wa bomo de ye papa pasan so back a no. Send ya was with the Moran blasters muno. Ayan energy.
Very, very instrumental. If you know what he went through to ensure that, one, the stadium was ready, two, all what the team required was ready. I mean, he had to. There was a day that I was with him till 2 a.m., you know, just to make sure that everything was available for this team. He worked extremely well. He did everything, I mean, that a minister should do, even including doing things out of the ordinary to ensure that everything will go on smoothly. And I'd like to thank him a lot for what is done for the team, and I hope that we'll continue working together as a team and continue to do what we need to do for Ghana football.
Sompa Sports.
I was your way. I had the blasters of Ghana Management Committee Chairman Dr. Randy Abe and na ya tenen kano na ye jina fisam no so na ya da ye hotel ye ba amanonense ya busia for ye ba wuramo e wan krofo man so wonim se FIFA World Cup no mu no e busia no mu na ye hyase na ye de free na wonim se ncha bia na qualification games awodo no dodo no aso tumi todwa na me pacho ma me fanto wani mo se enai no wo hwemu pa no a amai mako 7 and one more to me a book, one more take it already one more qualify to the World Cup 2026 and no yaka cry free waba would himself about World Cup numunua sasia no countries makuma komiensa and na yabekwa was USA one more can be Mexico and after Canada one more any amai makuma 3 nyankropo ya doma World Cup qualifiers and as World Cup 2026 no ye betu me upon one as ebreya yaka say no would himself Japan one more qualify after New Zealand one more so me qualify mana ye Iran and na Argentina so and rather to manimo say one more so me qualify to the World Cup 2026 and one kakra ye free one more ba ya chese ye boma mane na wo bowramu e Germany bobo kwani mu a me patro latest reporter me saka and say Alfonso Davies abrantia wo sinakan adema Bayern Munich bobo ko no ye nya semketo ma na me patro reporter me saka and say abrantia no wapira enti nyankropon ya domu a just the rest of the season no abrantia no nyade a wo betumi sinakan bi ama no manyina enso atumi akoye na reporter se bre no eba e kire se FIFA eye club World Cup championship no nyankropon ya domu a wo bibia do betumi awini no esika bottle ya mpanyifo atwa to eye 97 to 125 million US dollars asamo ana American sa no na me pacho ma menchira mo nchira wo sesesi ana se wo hwasa ne enuoma sibi kakwa a per team wo bia ebetumi anya 3.58 million US dollars eno so ya kakra ye fi wo ba eno eye team a wo betumi qualify na me pacho se wo ba Africa team wo betumi akwa wani mo no nyankropon ya adoma wo se qualification team bonus no eye 9.55 million US dollars ya no ene kakra ye free wo ba wo powra mo e wo Asia so a wo mo so de no eye 9.55 million US dollars me patcho North Central America so se wo to me qualify here eno eye 9.55 million US dollars afei Europe teams a wo do no eno e range from 12.81 to 38.19 million US dollars eno ne kakra ye free one more ya de ebra ye tiefo na me patcho ntia me seka eno sasasi an se wo hwemu a group stages a wo do no wo to me a winning bonus no eye $2 million afei wo pa draw so a eye $1 million na se wo qualify at the round of 16 no a eye $7.5 million ya cha sa nya sem ketua wo bowra mu e quarter finals no a eno ye $13.125 million ya kakra ye free waba no me patcho semi finals no eye $21 million and after finals no eno so ye $30 million cha se free waba na wo to meje World Cup no e de si wo now say kinkim na wo gini nyina dikra se atwitwa me patro sika won sabetumi aka eye $40 million ya chese no eni sika botne efiri won mo ba chese anya sem keto akura na ye gira we so na chese ye diamono ne nsem no ne nyina da atumi akwa kogudia ba wonim sa brebia no ye bo won ka ye se no wotwe bo se kenu a ye kwawura mu ewa wurade asemu na ye di time so pepe se ebere wo show bra no 7:59 ana bo ewa the studios of Sompa 106.5 FM ebusa ye sore nkonya so wonim se me din ene akosua ajewa akwade boaten ma me faseda ema chase me producers awodo a wo mo ebo me chidom school fees wono ahwe ye nuoma nyina enso tumi de koye de ma menimu wo segna me so ma me mbo hu sa na nuoma nyina tumi koye na mfanye mo samba e school fees wono atifidie na chi ya chase Facebook ni YouTube no na wode ebo me chidom afa Jeremiah na afa wa brempon na wo mo so na ebo me with voices no na me editing ni nyina no aye apam dada. Yes, the champion apam dada wono na chase no wo hwe na wo bo nuoma nyina de ama me kama enti se brande ye sore so akọ na awurade asem ye de